Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are creating YouTuber's Instagram story edit in Kinemaster. Before we start, let's see what we create today. Let's get started. Tap this plus icon to create a new project. Select 916. Import a white plane from background. Now increase background layer duration up to 10 seconds. Tap on layer, select media and now import this image. Increase duration of this layer. At the end of this layer add a keyframe. Now resize it, as I shown in the video. Now come back to first frame. Here, fit this image into canvas. Let's see. Now import your logo. Tap on layer, select media and now import your logo. Adjust the size and position. Increase the duration of the logo layer. Let's animate it. Select logo layer. Tap on in animation. I am going to using this scale up animation. And the speed is 0.7. But here, I am going to adding my text. Tap on layer, select text. Let's change the font. Tap this icon for more fonts. You can use any of these fonts. I am going to using this Comfortar bold font. Resize it and place it here. Let's animate text. Let me increase timeline duration first. Select text layer, and tap on in animation. Select enter slide left animation. And the speed is 0.7. Now duplicate text. Select text layer. Tap on this 3 dots and select duplicate. Now place it here. Tap this icon for edit text. Let's adjust the size and position. Now tap on in animation. Select enter slide right animation. Let me adjust the position of text layers. Let's see. And here import this image. Tap on layer, select media and import. Let me crop this. Resize it and place it here. Tap on in animation. You can use any of this animations to your project. I am going to using pop-up animation. And the speed is 0.7. Move this layer, as I shown in the video. Now increase the duration of this layer. And here add a keyframe to logo. Tap on this key icon for keyframes. And now add a keyframe here. Also add keyframes to text layers. Now move 200 frames forward. Add a keyframe here to logo layer and also text layer. But here change the position of logo layer, as I shown in the video. Also text layers. Let's see. And here add subscribe text. Tap on layer, select text. Now place it here. Let's change the font. You can use any of this fonts. I am going to using this audio wide regular font. Resize it. Let's animate this text. Select this layer and tap on in animation. Select pop down animation. Increase timeline duration of this layer. Now import this hand image here. Adjust the size and position. Place it here. Now move 200 frames forward. Add a keyframe here. Now come back to first frame of this layer. Here change the position, as I shown in the video. My animation is too fast. Let's do little much slower. Now move couple of frames forward from this keyframe. Add a keyframe here. Now remove this keyframe. Now add a keyframe between these two keyframes. Now change the position, as I shown in the video. Let's create click animation. Move couple of frames forward from this keyframe. Add a keyframe here. Now move 200 frames forward. Add a keyframe here. Add a keyframe between these two keyframes. Now scale it. Let's see. Perfect. And here, import this image. Tap on Layer, select Media and import this image. Now place it here, and resize it. Now duplicate text layer. Tap on these three dots, and select duplicate. Tap on in animation, select none. Tap this icon for edit text. Adjust text size. Now come back to this keyframe. Select subscribe text layer. Tap on scissor icon. Select trim to left of playhead. Now select this layer and bring it to front. Let's see. Now add a keyframe here. Move 500 frames forward. Now change the position of this layer, as I shown in the video. Now add a keyframe between these two keyframes. Move this layer as I shown in the video. This is my final output, guys. We will create this one in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.